Cletus can take us fishing.
It is a nice day for it.
So you will take us?
Oh, shit, but we're supposed to go help Uncle Mike today.
What fishing?
Oh, hold on, I got an idea. Hey, Cletus, you on your way? Yeah, we're not feeling good. Yeah, I think we all got the whooping cough. Whooping cough? Yeah. That's not how whooping cough works. It's not? No. All right, next. We're on our way.